In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a customer list to Zoho Books. To get started, sign into your Zoho Books account. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, because importing data into the wrong account can create unnecessary cleanup later. Next, open the Customers section. To do that, go to Sales and then select Customers. This is where all of your customer records are managed, and it's also where Zoho Books gives you the option to bring in a list from a file instead of entering each customer manually. Once you're on the Customers page, look for the More button or the three-dot menu. Click it to open additional actions, then choose Import Customers. This will open the import workflow. If you're not sure how your file should be formatted, download the sample CSV file. This is especially helpful if this is your first time importing customers, because it shows you the type of columns and structure Zoho Books expects. Using the sample can help prevent formatting issues later. Now prepare your customer list. Enter your customer information into a CSV, XLS, or XLSX file. Make sure the data is organized clearly, with each customer on its own row and each type of information in its own column. Taking a moment to clean up the file before uploading can save time during the mapping and review stages. After your file is ready, click, choose File, and select your customer list from your computer. Once the file has been uploaded, click Next to move to the next stage of the import process. At this point, you'll map the fields. This means matching each column from your file, such as customer name or contact details, to the corresponding customer fields in Zoho Books. This step is very important because it tells the system where each piece of information should go. After mapping, review everything carefully. Verify that all fields are mapped correctly and that nothing important has been skipped or assigned to the wrong field. A quick review here can help you avoid importing incomplete or incorrect records. When everything looks right, click Import. Zoho Books will process the file and create the customer records based on the information you provided. Once the import is complete, review the import summary, check the results, and pay attention to any warnings or errors. If something didn't import correctly, this summary will usually tell you why. Finally, return to the Customers page and confirm that your customers were imported successfully. Scroll through the list and make sure the records appear as expected. Thanks for watching.